Hi guys, today I have a fabulous jerk rice recipe for you guys to try. It is so amazingly delicious. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So here are the list of the ingredients, and they will also be in the description box along with the measurements. So to a preheated pot, I'm going to add some butter. Allow this to melt slowly. Then we are going in with our diced onions and diced garlic and grated ginger. Alright, allow this to cook for about 2 minutes on medium-low heat. Stir consistently. Then we are going to add our green onions. Now I love the flavor of green onions, so that is why I'm putting it here. You can also omit and add that at the end, your choice. So now we are going in with our washed rice, Then we are going to allow this to toast for about 3 to 4 minutes. We are going to stir consistently. And we are going to still keep our heat at medium-low. Then we are going to add our jerk seasoning. Now if you can't stand the heat, stay out of the kitchen. Alright guys, we are also going to stir for an additional 2 minutes here. Then we are going in with our chicken stock. You can use vegetable stock or any other stock of your choice. Alright, give that a good stir. Taste is very important, so we are going to taste as you go, and you can also adjust the seasoning to your likeness and taste. You know, everyone's taste buds are different. Alright, so for you to achieve this really amazing loose rice, you must have the exact amount of stock or water I put in the description box. Alright, so I still keep tasting. I add my stock and I taste. So I just needed a little bit more heat, so I'm using a different kind of jerk seasoning here, you know, just to amplify the heat a little bit. Allow this to steam for 15 to 20 minutes on medium-low cover, and this is what you get. Absolutely loose, delicious. And I added some bell peppers for color, served with some amazing honey butter chili chicken, beets, and some vegetables. So thank you guys. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like and share. See y'all on the next one. Bye-bye.